Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we're going to be looking at Coinmarketcal, and I will show you how you can use it to learn important news about any cryptocurrency you want. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So Coinmarketcal is basically a calendar for reliable cryptocurrency news. And this is the main page. And you can see there's some news about some projects. You can see the project name at the top. You can see the date which the update is going to take place at. For example, you can see all of these updates takes place today. This is the 6th of December 2022. Also, you can see how many votes each project got. This shows how reliable and important that update is for the project. So for example, Steppen Town Hall, this takes place every week and it got 17 votes. It's not as important as a big update, but you can see here the staking for Chainlink early access launches on Ethereum mainnet, and this got 324 votes. And there's also little signs on the top left corner for some projects. For example, let's have a look at Chainlink, and it has 3 little signs at its top left corner. So the first one, this means it's trending. So this news has increased in popularity in the last week or the last 24 hours. The second one means significant. As you can see, this is a little crown. It means this is significant news for the project. And the last one is hot. Again, it increased in popularity in the short term. You can type in keywords to have a look at specific news. You can also specify the coins you'd like to see. And up here, you can see coin ranking. You can see different statistics about each crypto. So for example, we can see the Bitcoin's current price, it's $17,000. We can see its change in percentage in the last 24 hours. We can see its volume in the last 24 hours. And we can also see its market cap. We can also see the highlights, the most important, significant, and hottest news of the short term. So you can see Chainlink's staking launch new got 243 views in the last 24 hours and also 63 votes in the last 24 hours. You can also see the significant news, and it explains popular events paired with a major coin, algorithm based on votes, views, date, and market cap. And we can also see the hot ones. So for example, Mina Protocols got 1,282 votes. 97% confidence means this is really important and this is true. This is real. This is not fake news. There's also a section under the name of coins with potential. It says coins with a high hot index. Index out of 100, which indicates that a coin has hot events. You can see the latest news about crypto world here. For example, SushiSwap proposes to direct 100% of X Sushi revenue to Treasury Wallet, and all kinds of news. You can see how many people have seen these news. And lastly, you can subscribe to the newsletter to get the latest news about crypto world from Coinmarketcal. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on so not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And also, make sure to check out our website from the links in the description box below to start your crypto training completely for free. Just click on the link in the description box below to open our website. Scroll down to this part, click on Start Training, and start your crypto training completely for free. And don't forget, at the end of this journey, you will become a coin engineer. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.